This is a new Hardinge type manual precision lathe equipped with a chip and coolant shield, English metric gearbox, 5C collet closer and guard, variable speed drive. We bring this in to Iverson Company and check it for alignments and accuracy. In addition to the chip and coolant shield, we also offer the Iverson 4-barrel stop for precise length control on turns and bores, down to a total of 2 to 2.5 tenths control. We can offer this machine with accessories, digital readouts, and other tooling and options. We would just need to know what manufacturer digital readout and what accessories you would have interest in. This machine is available for live demonstration and is under power with 24 hours advance notice.